What's up guys, welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. Now every now and then I'll get a company reach out to me and ask me if I want a free sample of their products so I could do a review on them, and usually lately I've been saying no, because if it's something I'm not going to use, I really don't want to make a video and give my opinion if I'm not going to use it. You know, I've gotten offers of cup holders and stuff like that. I'm not really a cup holder guy. I don't ride to Starbucks and ride around with my latte on the handlebars. However, a company called Super Clean, I'm sure you heard of them before, I have. They contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try their cleaning products. I figured, well, all right, because that's not just something I could use on the bike, it's something I could use around the house, even though we're going to use it on Lola here today. And I think it's kind of funny because they contacted me after I made that video of how I take care of my denim paint, where I filled my scratch in with a Sharpie on the saddlebag. And I think what happened is they saw how disgustingly dirty Lola was and was like, yeah, this guy might be able to use our product. So I thought that was pretty funny. And plus, they sent me this cool hat. And when you don't have much hair, you don't turn down a free hat. So what I'm going to do is we're going to give old Lola a bath here first, just with water to get some surface dirt off of her. And then we're going to use the Super Clean on her forks and on the wheels where there's a lot of embedded dirt that's been on there for a long time. It just doesn't seem like it wants to come off. So we're going to use the Super Clean on that, see how it works. Again, you can use it on a bunch of things around the house, but this is a motorcycle channel and we do motorcycle stuff. So we're going to do it on a motorcycle. So stay tuned. We'll give Lola a bath and then we'll see just how good this Super Clean actually is. All right, let's hang out and do some cleaning. Alright, so we gotta spray some on a cool, dry surface. We can't let it dry completely. Spray it on, let it eat some dirt off, and then wash it off. So let's see what happens. Alright, so that was 2 coats, and all this is all pitted, so I don't care what you put on it, that's not going to come clean, but it definitely took some grime off. You could see my dirty towel here. If you look at this silver around the outside of the rim, that's definitely a lot cleaner, because we'll go compare it to the back rim that I didn't do yet. And you can see there's still a lot of grime on that. So I definitely see a difference. These rims really haven't been cleaned and haven't had a good cleaning in probably years. Like I said, we ride more than we clean on this channel. So I'm happy with the dirt that took off. Let's do the back. I must be getting old and out of shape because I can't breathe. seems like the longer you leave it on, the more it eats at the grime. Because there's some dirt running down there. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. We'll give it a few more minutes and wash it off before it dries. And also, if you're going to use it, you know, it says to test it in the inconspicuous place first, because if you leave it on too long, I guess certain areas it could take paint off or whatever. But I'm not too worried about my rims. Like I said, anything on this would be an improvement. Alright, they sent me this foam too. I guess it's pretty much the same thing in a foam form. Lola's back wheel is still kind of dirty, so we're going to try with this. Again, check in an inconspicuous area. Cover surface with super clean. Let it dissolve grease and grime. Do not let it dry, and rinse thoroughly. And wear gloves and eye protection. Well, we ain't doing that. But alright, let's check this out. Let's see how this works. Alright, so I put a third coat on. I reapplied the foam, this stuff here, and this got a little more grime off. Now let me just say, this bike never gets clean. I know I sound like a broken record, but this bike gets ridden a hell of a lot more than it gets cleaned. I bought it to ride it, and I really don't have the time to keep up with the cleaning of it. So I didn't have any high hopes that this was going to come sparkly and new, even with something like Super Clean. I think it's a great product. I just think Lola is a little too far gone. She's a grimy old workhorse. But with that said, it did brighten it up a hell of a lot more. That silver, the wheels just feel clean. It took a lot of grime off, especially right here. This was pretty much black. Same thing on the back. Back wheel was a hell of a lot more grimy, the drive wheel, but it did a good job making it look a little brighter around the pulley here. This here, this is all pitted, man. This is from riding in the winter with salt on the road, and this bike's been in snow, it's been in hail, it's always in rain. But with that said, I'd like to thank Super Clean for sending me their products. If you want to buy them, I'll put a link in the description down below. It's their website, but they carry them all over. I've seen it in Pep Boys. You go on their website, find out where to buy it. Again, thanks again, Super Clean. Thanks for brightening Lola up a little bit, making her look a little more shiny and clean. So thanks for watching Jersey Nick Moto. I'll see all you guys in the next video. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. Helps the channel out a lot. I'm gonna go for a ride now, because this cleaning thing ain't my thing. Keep your head on a swivel out there. Alright, hold on guys, before I go for a ride, Lola's a grimy old girl, and I knew she wasn't going to come completely clean with the Super Clean. So we're going to try this on some household stuff and see what Super Clean does on that. We're going to try and get some embedded grass off this weed whacker and clean this grimy old barbecue grill. So let's see how Super Clean does on that. Stay tuned. Then we'll go for the ride. And also what I realized when I did a little research is that this is what they sent me. However, apparently Super Clean also has a wheel cleaner. Now I think that would have worked better on old Lola. But like I said, let's try this out on some household stuff. Then we'll go for that ride, I promised. Now I know it says to use it on a dry surface, but this stuff is pretty caked up, so I'm just going to hit it with a hose to loosen some of it up. Now we'll spray some of the foam on, let it sit, and see what happens. Alright, I can definitely see it's eating some of that grass away. The foam's getting a little green. That came like new. that did a pretty good job. Alright, so this is coming along. I think with some more elbow grease and a little more agitation, it'll all come clean. But before, I couldn't pick it up without my hand getting black. And look at that. Super clean. I'd say you redeemed yourself. So pick yourself up a bottle. Check it out. If you just stumbled upon this channel because you were searching for Super Clean, I'm a motorcycle channel. I've ridden to all the lower 48 states of the United States. I do a lot of road trips and everything motorcycle related. So hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching Jersey Dick Moto. Now I'm going for that ride because it's going to rain tomorrow and I'm not wasting my Saturday afternoon doing chores around the house. Go check out Super Clean. See you in the next video. Enjoy this little spin around the neighborhood. Later.